Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a little bit of a different video. I'm repotting some of my house plants. I have so many house plants, and they're getting some of them are getting, I think, just too big for the pots that they're in. So I'm just gonna be potting them into bigger containers, and I will show you some of the few of my house plants that I have, and the compost that I'm using, the containers that I'm using. And yeah, if you're like me, who is a house plant junkie, I think so, leave down your comments. I have so many house plants, and if you want to see a video of my some of the house plants that I have, please do leave a comment below, and do like and share this comment down below. And let me get on and start doing this potting. It's actually such a lovely day outside, so yeah, I thought I'll take advantage of that. So this is the compost that I'm using. It's the multi-purpose compost, ideal for tubs, baskets, and window baskets, whatever cutting. So it's potting on plants, and this is one of the plant one. Let me come this way actually. So this is one of them. I don't really know the name of it. These are the type of leaves that it has. Very nice, lovely. It grows very tall. So this is one of them that I'm gonna be repotting. As you can see, it's very tall. The next one is this one. I love how the purple color on the inside. So I'm gonna list down the name of some of these plants, and this one I can see it's kind of drying a little bit, and yeah, but I've had it for a while. It's one of my favorite plants actually in the house. So as you can see, the pot is very small and the leaves are drying off, so I'm gonna just use a bigger pot for that. Other favorite one is this a banana plant. So this one you can plant them inside or outside, the way you want. So as you can see, there's a new shoot coming out here, so pretty cool. I have another one that looks similar. There's this one as well, but this one is a smaller plant. This one produces very lovely orange kind of flowers, but the season for it I think is not yet. As you can see as well, the leaves are dying off. Yeah, I have these ones. So this one looks to be the same but different color. Let's see if golden, I believe that's the name of it. So I'm just gonna repot them. I've put them in this glass container at the moment, so I want to plant them in a bigger container, and hopefully they will be happy. And I have this is thyme. I want to plant it in the kitchen as well, and hopefully so I'm never successful when it comes to thyme. Every time I plant them, they kind of die. So if any of you have a tip on how to let this grow, I got this in the supermarket anyway, leave down your comments and give me an idea of what to do so that they grow. I seem to be killing a lot of them more than they are happy in my house. So the other plant I have is this monkey plant. It's like I think it's the same family as monstera, but this is the, as you can see, the leaves are so pretty, and that's how they stay actually. And it just grows pretty long. It's a very cute little plant of mine. As I say, it's monkey plant. That's monstera monkey leaf. So this is one of my kind of newest uh, plant that I bought not long ago, maybe 2-3 months ago, and I love it so far. So this is all new shoots that have come up, and I'm pretty happy with that. It looks happy. It's only that the container is very small, so I want to plant them in a bigger one. Another of my favorite one is this one. Look at the color, the lovely silvery and purple color. So this one would hang down if you put it in a, like in the bathroom or somewhere that it just needs a little bit of hanging so that it grows, I think, nice and tall. So those are most of the plants that I want to repot, and I'm going to be planting some of the plants outside as well. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy the weather, and hopefully you guys will enjoy this. Anyway, let me start doing this work before it gets too hot. I've have forgotten to show you. So these are some of the plastic containers that I'm using. I have different sizes, and so that varies with the different plants that I have. And if I don't want to go too big, so I'm going to use that there. So yeah, and I have these big ones as well. This is a medium size, and this is a large one, and I have another large one as well. So this one probably I'm gonna replant this pot, this big plant in that big one, and the banana plant as well. I'm gonna plant it in that one there. So I've added few rocks. I've added few rocks at the bottom of that, so that when I put the compost and I water the plant, at least there is air going around it, rather than just putting in the compost without without anything at the bottom. So yeah. So I have this organic soil improver with soil bacteria. So I'm just gonna add that as well as I replant my plants. Add some compost first. I'm gonna just use my hands. So I'm just gonna add maybe some of that and take that much, sprinkle it in like that, and I've already added some rock, put some rock under the container, in the container. So I'm gonna replant this. As you can see, the roots are pretty big, so I'm just gonna loosen the soil slightly, not too much, and then tuck that in there. So I think for these plants, as you can see, it looks like there is some little rocks in it. So what I'm going to do, I will mix in the, what is this, the cacti and succulent pot mix. So I'm going to add that. I've already added some rocks in that. And why I'm adding this, because this one is more lighter. This mixture is a little bit lighter, and I'll mix it in with this normal compost. So I'm basically done doing the planting, the repotting of my house plants. So the only thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to water them and then put them back in the house, or just let them enjoy some sunshine for a little while. So hope you guys enjoyed that of me doing the repotting. And if there's anything else you like to ask, or any advice you'd like to give me, I don't know much about plants. I just love them, and I try to keep them alive as much as possible. I haven't killed anything so far, so, and I've had them for a few years. Anyway, yeah, I am happy out, as it's spring, oh, it's out, I'm sorry, and winter will be coming soon. I thought I'm gonna do them now. I know they're not supposed to be done now, but hey, better now than not. And yeah, I'm gonna go water them and then put them back in the house. And until then, I will see you guys later. Bye for now.